Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to day 7. I am standing just outside the caravan. It was raining all night, but we stayed nice and cozy and warm inside the van. We're still here at Cozy Corner, but we won't be for long. Today we're going to head up north and west over to Georgetown, and we're going to be staying at Low Head Holiday Park. Okay ladies and gentlemen, this is the itinerary for today. We just stopped off at a local cafe and got some food. Very healthy choices made today.
My goodness, what's this?
This is a salmon royale, so it's pretty much poached egg with hollandaise and salmon and toast. And David got a French toast banana bread with maple syrup and bacon.
Blueberry and lavender jam on it. What do we do? Jam first.
And this is my blueberry and lavender ice cream.
Alright, we have arrived. Louise is just cleaning up some stuff. Our neighbours so far haven't complained, which is good. We've got 2 days here, which will be good. And later on this afternoon, we're going to see some penguins when the sun goes down.
Yeah. We're going to go and get wet while it's a bit warm and a bit sunny outside.
A bit. But it's been low.
It's cold.
Cold.
It's cold.
This is your wave right here, right here. Go. That was the biggest wave we've got. Yep.
Yep.
Go for the dunk. Go, 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 go. Done. How do you feel?
Fresh.
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 That's the way to describe it.
Woo-hoo. The time has come. We are here at Low Head waiting for the penguin tour to commence. After waking up at the crack of dawn, we're finally going to move on at about 9:15 in the morning. First stop is Cataract Gorge. We're going to walk around, we're going to take in the sights, we're going to take some photos, admire the beauty. It's about an hour away from where we are in Georgetown. It's in Launceston. There's also a brewery tour that we're on. It's the Boags Brewery, which is a Tasmanian brewery. Pretty exciting day ahead. Hello, we are here at Cataract Gorge. We've just parked, we're walking in now, trying to figure out what the plan is. I think we're going to do all the walking stuff first and then do the chairlift stuff second. You can see the suspension bridge from here. Are you in suspense about the suspension bridge?
I am in suspense.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
Alrighty. Adventure continues.
To the right.
So we're here just at the band rotunda, which is that pergola thing over there. And there's a restaurant just over to our left. But we packed sandwiches, so we're going to sit down and eat our sandwiches and finish these soy chips. Well, maybe not finish, but have a few. Absolutely amazing place. So gorgeous, and we've come on like the actual best day. Don't you reckon?
Yeah, there's a peacock over there.
There's a peacock?
I would say, as some feedback, you walk along a path, then you get to a fork in the road, and it's like, oh, we're not going to give you any signs saying which one's which. Or it'll be like, there's 3 ways you can go, and only 2 of them have labels. It's like, thanks for the guidance. But you can't really get lost here. It's just sort of like,
oh no,
if you're doing the zigzag walk, you'd think you'd have a bit more
signage,
direction, or just like, yeah. Anyway, that was beautiful.
Oh, amazing. We're gonna do a bit more walking and then go for a swim and then get changed and go to Boags Brewery. A beer sounds like it'd be amazing after this.
Ready for a swim, Lou?
I'm so keen.
Do some extreme sport flow.
Is that extreme enough?
Yeah. Gotta pick up speed. That's it? You done? Oh, you haven't fallen over enough. Okay.
We just finished at Cataract Gorge and now we are at the Duck something power station.
Duck Reach Power Station.
We are at the Duck Reach Power Station. It is 1:02. Our brewery tour is at 3 o'clock, so we do have some time to kill before now and then. So we thought, why don't we check out a power station nearby? And we found this one, so that is what we're doing now. Okay. Power station was magnificent to look at. Some pretty awesome feats of engineering there.
Yeah, the first one built in the southern hemisphere. It was a 2,000 kilowatt one, and I think it's now owned by the Snowy Hydro Commission.
Yep.
It was restored by Siemens as well. Now we're on our way to our next destination, which is the Boags Brewery, which should be really good. Like after all the walking in the sun and the swimming and all that, it feels like time for a nice relaxed beer.
Yes.
Although we can't drink before and we're going to get there early, and I imagine we're not really drinking during it that much. But anyway, we'll have a beer there at some point. It'll be good to see how they do their brewing.
Yeah.
Alright, we're on our way back from the James Boag Brewery tour. We weren't able to capture any video recordings or even photography while on the tour, which is a shame. I really enjoyed the super chilling process. It's just, I thought it was just a brilliant idea where you, after maturing the beer, you super chill it to negative 1.5 degrees, and that doesn't freeze the beer, but it starts to form crystals inside, I think, the water elements of the beer, and that catches the larger elements of the yeast, and so it crystallizes those yeast bits, and they put it through a filter, and that filter catches those larger elements, so it's pretty much a pure beer after that super chilling process. So that was pretty cool to learn.
The other cool thing was seeing just how fast it all goes.
Yeah, so it was quite fast. So from what I remember, they produced a case of Boags Premium beer, which is their sort of flagship beer these days, since 1994. I think that's when they started producing that one. For 45 cases a minute.
Yeah, very, very fast. It's like you're watching it in real time and you don't believe it's happening. No, this is sped up. It's not sped up, like it's that fast.
Yeah, it's incredible. Yeah. So we're on our way back now to Lowhead, to our same campground as before, at the same place for another night, which is nice to be at the same place again. It's a beautiful place. So yeah, that was great. So yeah, we're on our way back, and I guess we'll get set up for dinner and see how the night goes.